Virgo, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 13th of December. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now, before I go ahead and start, a very quick disclaimer. If you find there is something in this video that resonates with you, go ahead and take it. But if there's something that doesn't resonate, please go ahead and leave it. Now let's go ahead and say what we have for this particular week. So the first card that I see for you is Nine of Swords, Knight of Wands, and Three of Swords. Person B here, the first card is Justice card, Wheel of Fortune, and the Page of Cups. Bottom of the deck, I have the Sun card, which is a major arcana card. With that energy, they will go ahead and ensure that everything which is out there in the open comes out and it's visible. Any secrets, anything that was hidden comes out, and it also denotes positivity. So going forward, things will be a little more positive than they are right now. Now from the first set of cards I see you have Nine of Swords. This shows a lot of stress, anxiety, sleepless nights. There could be something that's causing a lot of stress to you. The second card is Knight of Wands. This is not a very stable, mature energy. With the Knights, it shows that you want to rush in, have a good time, because it focuses more towards passion, sex, and then just walk away. So there's no stability, there's no talk about commitment, marriage. The third card that I see is Three of Swords. In some cases, it could mean that there is a third party situation. So maybe you are dealing with two people at the same time. Now for person B, your partner, the first card is Justice card. Now Justice card means that if there's some kind of injustice that they have faced, they will now get justice in this situation. So that's when karma will work for them. There's another meaning to this Justice card is for some of you, if you are involved in a legal case, then you will get victory in that situation. Now the second card for you is the Wheel of Fortune, which means that you are waiting for the wheel, the times to change and move positively in your direction. And the third card is the Page of Cups, which is kind of an immature energy, but with cups you want to talk about emotions. Now with this, we'll also quickly go ahead and see what is the intention of this person for you. So the first card is the Devil card, the Eight of Pentacles, and the Judgment card. Now the Devil card is negative energy. It shows that there's something negative. It could be a person, it could be anything like sex, drugs, alcohol, but something which is causing negativity in this relationship. The second card is Eight of Pentacles. This shows that a lot of effort, a lot of hard work will be required to correct whatever has gone wrong in this relationship. And the third card is the Judgment card. This shows that this person has eventually taken up a judgment call on what they want to go ahead and do in this relationship. Now with this, we'll also quickly go ahead and see what is the message from the Moonology Oracle deck. So the message that I have for you is your hard work is paying off. This means that if you have put in hard work, if you have put in those hours, if you have ensured that you have put in those steps involved in this relationship, then it will eventually work out for you. Now with this, we'll also quickly go ahead and see what is the message we have from archangels, and also if there is any crystal that can also actually help you out in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Girasol quartz. The crystal message is, have you noticed that people and situations are reflecting your feeling or thoughts? Pay attention to the messages these mirrors provide. Take stock of what work you need to do to improve your self-awareness and personal growth. Now with this, there is also a message here from Archangel Zadkiel, which I'll go ahead and put in the description box, and you can read it out from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and till the next video, please stay safe and love yourself first.